porotrichosis, Rose Gardner disease, HP asteroid bodies, ulcer chest, sinus discharge, scrophulderma, herpes labialis, Zhang smear, multinodulated giant cells, chickenpox, dew drop or rose petal appearance, herpes zoster, post-herpetic neuralgia, Zarisch-Herxheimer reaction, acute febrile reaction in 24 hours of syphilis treatment, secondary syphilis, mouth-eaten alopecia, lichen planus, saw-tooth appearance, Max Joseph species, true common phenomena, psoriasis, lichen planus, vertigo, false common phenomena, vitiligo, viral warts, molluscum contagiosum, Ritter's disease, pemphigus neonatorum, Reiter's disease, reactive arthritis, tinea nigra, black patch over palms, trichomoniasis, greenish frothy discharge, tinea capitis, flavus, false smelling flavors over scalp called scutia, hypernephroma secondary metastasis, lungs, Wilms tumor metastasis, lungs, intravesical therapy for superficial bladder cancer, BCG, CA bladder common, smokers, seminoma treatment, osteotomy with radiotherapy, Short-Stretch associated, maternal deprivation syndrome, hypothyroidism, IUGR, infant body weight tripled, 12 months, pincer grasp attain, 10 months, weight for height deficit in 3-year-old, acute malnutrition, nutrition status for child, rate of increase of height and weight, blood volume in preterm unit 90 ml per kg, maintenance fluid dose in 10 kg boy, 10 into 100 is equal to 1000 milliliter per day, potassium required in child 1 to 2 milligram per kg, standard ORS osmolality 311, prepared ORS solution stable for 24 hours, liquid based cytology, urine specimen, Alzheimer's disease protein associated, A beta tau, alpha synucleinopathy, Parkinson, Lewy body dementia, MAFD, multisystem atrophy and frontotemporal dementia, MELD score, liver transplantation prioritize, ESR increase in pregnancy because increase in fibrinogen, pulmonary hypertension drug of choice amlodipine, lactation contraindication, lithium, ciprofloxacin, diazepam, prodrug enalapril, therapeutic drug monitoring, phenytoin, cyclosporine, tacrolimus, loading dose depends, volume distribution, knee replacement surgery, losing joint, metallosis, pap stain, hematoloxylin, nuclear stain, celiac disease can cause GI lymphoma, enteropathy associated T cell lymphoma, FNAC specimen, thyroid, 6 follicular tube with each 10 to 15 cells, colon adenocarcinoma gene, APC, KRAS, P53, DCC, ocular side effect of heart, optic neuritis, oral drug for hepatitis C treatment, latipasvir, 5th generation cephalosporin with anti-MRSA, ceftobiprole, C. difficile treatment of choice, oral vancomycin, safest cephalosporin in renal failure, cefoperazone, normal stature girl with minimal or absent pubertal development, Coleman syndrome, uterus adelphi diagnosis, hysterosalpingography, vaginal agenesis, adult repair age before marriage, Mayer-Rokitansky Kushner-Hostel syndrome, only ovary present, secondary amenorrhea after postpartum pituitary hemorrhage, Sheehan syndrome, all drop sign or Salmon patch, nail in psoriasis, arsenic poisoning, Mees line, syringiomas, sweat duct tumor, drug induced acne, steroid OCP INH, pustular psoriasis drug of choice, acid-tetting, insulin alone in DKA, hypokalemia, anisette undergoing enterohepatic circulation, paroxycam, trisofulvin absorption increase in fatty meal, significant adverse effect of ACE inhibitor, hypotension, late detection cause, apraclonidine, Osborne J wave hypothermia and hypercalcemia, Bell's palsy, hyperacusis, bronze baby syndrome, phototherapy, tetralogy of Fallot, squatting position, Moran syndrome, diabetes, obesity, dwarfism, pancytopenia with cellular marrow, myelodysplasia, diabetic anemia, polycythemia vera, increased RBC count, increased vitamin B12 binding capacity, primary pulmonary hypertension, bone morphologically receptor protein 2, acute cor-pulmonale cause pulmonary thromboembolism, chronic cor-pulmonale cause severe COPD, TB endomyositis caused by retrograde spread, fallopian tube dysmotility, Carter-Jenner syndrome, ovarian reserve best indicator FSH, inclomiphene antiestrogenic effect, copper tick contraindicated, pelvis TB, VSD, pansystolic murmur, Eisenmenger syndrome, right to left shunt, respiratory manifestation of VSD, reversible pneumonia and tachypnea, ASD, ostium secundum type, Keeshan's disease, selenium deficiency, Giardia lamblia, tennis racket, teardrop, monkey face, promiscuous form, triple N media, myopia treatment, excimer laser, Dubin-Johnson syndrome, MRP2 gene mutation, opium antagonist, nalorphine, schedule of drugs sold on prescription, H, phase 1 clinical trial, pharmacokinetics, valproate gender specific side effect, PCOS, cerebellar toxicity cause, cytarabine, excreted by lung, 5-fluoroacyl, medullary carcinoma of thyroid arise, parafollicular cells, recurrent laryngeal nerve associated inferior thyroid artery, thyroid tumor, bone metastasis and Hurley cell tumor, follicular carcinoma thyroid metastasis, blood-borne metastasis, facial wound, skin graft, post-auricular region.